Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to our Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and we have packages. Packages to unpack. So, I've been waiting for this last package to arrive today, which it did, so to unpack the others as well. So let's go ahead and start in, see what we got in the mail here. First thing is from AP Shave Co. in Canada. Just about everything's from Canada, I think, today. So that's the envelope one here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we'll take this little package here too. Well wrapped. And you can see it's not all banged up or anything else too, so it's, yeah, traveled well from Canada. And shape of the box, you can kind of guess what it is. Let's open it from the other side. Might be easier. No, I can't. It's just open it from this side. So, yes, it's a knot. It is a Sinbad knot from AP Shave Co. 24 mil size. So, what's that for? Well, let's find out. Let's see which is which. Okay. Nope, not that one. Yeah, this one. Sorry, this one. So this is from Sawdust Creations. I have never had one of his brushes. I've been wanting one of his brushes, so yeah. I want one of his lather rolls too. Those look pretty darn good, especially the ones that match the brush. Oh, they look gorgeous. So I got one today, one of his recent releases. Didn't get my first choice, got my second choice. First choice was already gone by the time I got to it. So let's see here. Oops. We're taping the sides. There we go. Okay, what we got? Whoops. What do we got in here? Come with a whole bunch of stuff in here. Stickers, Sawdust Creations. Oops. Oh, nice bag. Here. Sawdust Creations stickers. What's this? Creole seasoning from Canada? Cool. Of course, I got several of these stickers, and yes, when I build my next shave shelf, once I remodel the other bathroom, then yeah, those will go on there. So I'm saving my stickers that I get from vendors. Of course, business cards. Oh, another one of those seasonings. And what's this? I don't know what this is. Natural skincare products. Okay, he's getting a sample. It's giving me a sample of something. What is it? Oh, a soap sample. Okay, little Blossom soap sample. What is this? Soap of the Gods, Puros La Habana. Ooh, that sounds like a cigar scent. I think I'd like that. Gotta smell it. Sort of that and soapy at the same time. Yeah. Okay. Kind of cool. Oh, that looks intriguing. Okay. And put it back in all its original wrapping here, so I'll keep track of that for one of my weekend shaves here. Now, of course, and what I'm ordered comes in this nice looking bag. Look at that. Nice. And of course, I bought just the handle. That's my handle. Just thought that was just kind of cool. And I like that, like tealy type green. That's just kind of, oh, that feels good in the hand. Yeah, that's shape that I thought I would like. I like to be able to pinch lightly and, to have my fingers like stay in place. And so where's that knot? Let's see how that knot fits. Because it's a 26 mil hole in that brush handle. So I got a 24 mil knot to make it loose. Because I like a more floppy brush than a firm brush. It's your choice. I could have gotten a 26 mil knot to put in there instead. It would have been more firm. I just tend to like mine a little more floppy. And the Sinbad is a wonderful soft knot. So that's going to look sharp. I'm going to order some glue here. Probably this weekend or all that. So it'll probably be a couple of weeks before I get this in action, before I get to put it together. But I thought you would like to see that. So that'll turn up one of these days, one of these weekend shaves. Now, the other box. I'm so excited. The other box. I say I'm excited. I didn't double check where it's from. I gotta make sure of this. CNC Machining is the name of the company in Canada. That's not what they do business as. Oh, where'd I put my knife? There it is. You will know what I say this was. CNC Machining. You will know it better as Wolfman Razors. Oh, yes, I got a Wolfman. Been wanting one for years. at least 4 or 5 years I'm gonna want one of these. So I am very excited to see this. I ordered this, it basically was a Christmas present. Ordered it before Christmas, ordered it like November. And of course there's a long wait list for them. So if you want one of these, yeah, you're gonna wait for it. You are gonna wait for it. Cut more tape. So yeah, it's a good 6 months wait or so for them. And they tell you that up front, they tell you. Okay, receipt paperwork. Okay, nothing too fancy here so far. Let's see, unwrap this. Stiff paper, okay. With more tape. There we go. A little seal, the Canada maple leaf there. Yeah. Wolfman Razor, okay. So there's a bag for this thing too. Ooh, no, it's a cloth. It's a cloth. Okay, it's not a bag, it's a cloth. Polishing cloth. Okay, cool. Some bubble wrap stuff. And it looks like I got some individual pieces. Some more. This. Paper with some tape. A little black paper type thing. It's almost like a felty paper. It feels soft. Wrapped tight. Somebody wrapped this well. Ooh, okay. Top cap and base plate. Okay, let's see, pull that apart. Oh. And this is not what they call the polished one, and this is so stinking shiny. And this is not the polished one. I can't imagine the brightness of the polished one. This thing looks so shiny, gorgeous. Does it fit both ways? It looks like it does. Or does it? No, it doesn't. It only fits one way. Okay. It only fits one way. Interesting. Okay. So that's the top cap and base plate. Now let's get to the handle. Sorry, a little sweating. I just mowed the lawn here before I did this. I did my chores first before I got to the fun stuff. I just have to pull the tape apart. Now I'm going on the handle. And that's the handle. Very popular handle for this thing. It's just a gorgeous handle. So of course, let's put it together. Okay, but it's good to know that it only fits one way. I'll make note of that. And this is a bishop style handle, and I like this is kind of my favorite handle style. Your base, bishop, what they call a bishop handle. So you have the little grip area up top here where the balance point is. There you go, balance point. And of course, it's got a little. How do you say that? It's like stepped, almost. Some things there for like holding here, so going against the grain. So yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at that thing shine. Okay, yeah, shiny things, yeah. That thing is just so gorgeous. I am so excited to get this in the mail. Yeah, paid for myself. There was no discounts. There was no nothing. It's like, yeah, there's no gifts. There's no trials. This is mine. I bought this. But yeah, I'm intrigued that it only fits one way on the top cap. So that's, yeah, just machining is, boy, that looks nice. That does look nice. So hand fitted and all that stuff too. Looks, and it wouldn't fit like that together when I flicked the head around the other way. So, okay, good to know. But that, I'm very excited. This is I think the 0.85 gap head. And then of course they went up from there. I think it was like the lowest. I was afraid to go anything higher than that. 0.85 is kind of in my ballpark. But above that, they were going to 1.0 whatever too. So it's like, yeah, they would go very aggressive on the gap. But I've heard, of course, nothing but great reviews of this. So, hey, but we'll see. I mean, I'm excited, and yes, and we'll see, and I'll try it. But I'll let you know how after I've used it for a while, and what I really feel. I'll give you my initial impressions, of course, which will probably be, wonderful, I'm sure, because it's, brand spanking new. But over time, I give you, I tell you, because I don't like introduce my other razors as you've seen them before, but I do give you my thoughts on them as I go. But I've been in this, just so you know, that is cupped. So that's not just flat, that's actually cupped. I've never had a razor like that. That is concave. So obviously it should stand up. Yeah, stands up no problem on the countertop. So I like that. I like it when I can sit a razor down like on its handle and let it just stand there. Very, very impressed, very excited, as you can tell, because it's going on 10 minutes here almost, and yeah, I'm still glowing about this thing. So I'm just thrilled. It took forever to get, but it's like, yeah, it was, definitely, we'll see if it's worth the wait. That we'll see, but right now I'm very happy to see this thing show up in the mail today, and I'm really looking forward to trying this in 2 days on Saturday to show you. So now you know what to expect on Saturday for a shave. So, so with that, guys, go with God.